Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an interesting one from China. This is Huaxi beef flavored rice noodle from Huaxi. So, what have we here? A rice noodle. What's interesting about this one, this is from Sao Tao, which they're out of Hong Kong. Kind of interesting. Well, what a day we have in store for you, I suppose. What do we got here? Here's a seasoning pack. It's funny though, because it says different things on the packet. You see that? Like modesty and joyful and all sorts of funny things. Shared, innovation, mindfulness, health, natural, virtue, Tai Chi, easily. Just all these little convenient. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 sachets. So it should be a fun ride down Noodle Road. Especially if I set the timer. Haha! So it's been an interesting past, 18 hours? My poor sweet little daughter, not feeling well. Yeah, Mimi is under the weather. Can't hold anything down. Which, unfortunately, is what happened the last time everybody had COVID. That was her thing. And yeah, so we're hoping that's not the case, but she's staying home today, and she had a negative test yesterday. We'll probably do another test this afternoon, and if all's well, she can go back to school tomorrow, as long as she's feeling good. I mean, if you're sick, you don't go to school anyways, so yeah. But it's I'm waiting to see it. It's supposed to be a rainy day, but it looks like so close that till we're gonna have a whole bunch of that cottonwood stuff flying all over the place. So right now we'll see. It could be that. You know, she could just be dealing with allergy action. That's very possible. But I don't know. All I know is she's not having fun with it. So we need to reserve 200 mils of this. So here comes. And these are definitely ready. There we go. So let's turn this is off. We're gonna drain our noodle. There we go. That there for now. It shows putting all these seasonings in a separate thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them all in here, and I'm gonna dump them in the noodle. So that seems like a logical way to go, I think. I've been enjoying doing these Chinese varieties because the translations tend to be really unique. They don't use the term very often that I've seen of drain. Like don't drain the noodle, fish the noodle out. It's like go noodle fishing. I like that. These little things are funny. There's something. And here's some vegetables. And here's fried soybean, I'm guessing. Which the last time I had one that had that in it, I wasn't super keen on it. Here's our bone soup pack. I thought it said bonus soup pack, but it says bones soup pack. So this is going to be like an emulation of a beef bone broth, is my guess. And then we have this one, which is just a regular seasoning base. We'll drop that in, I think, or is this chili? Chili pack, okay. So we'll give this a stir. Okay, I'm enthused. Now we're gonna take our drain noodle, put it in the pot, and put this on, give that a stir, and give her a try. And here we are, our beefy flavored stuffings. Hell, who doesn't like the beefy stuffings? I don't know. Let's give it a qualified flavor taste. Oily. Nice bit of beef flavor. Yeah. I like that. Now I want to see about this. Go visit our soybean. I like different textures in with noodles, but this crunchy soybean just doesn't make me happy. It's just really not my favorite. Well, we need a bowl. That's what this is. I want this. That's pretty good. I want this to fit. And it seems to. Alright, so I've got some spring onion, aka scallion, that'll go right here. And I think I kind of irritated the guy at the butcher block at the grocery store. How much beef do you want? I want a quarter pound. You want 4 pounds? No, I want a quarter of a pound. What? That's not a lot. I'm like, I know. I really don't need a lot. I'm using it for reviews. You're testing our beef? No, I use it with noodles. Beef noodle? Yep. But here we are. This is good. I was quite impressed with this one. tasty, tasty. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Oh, yeah. Well, the next one you're gonna see is from a Korean company called Youngpoong. Youngpoong. This is Noodle Udon Black Original. So, that'll be coming tomorrow. Something interesting to check out. And, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Ranger wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, have a good one. Bye-bye.